Shubor Nagaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Principal Chief Conservator of Forests, Meghalaya SM Sahai, Hani Kasngi Ulapan Haperdano, Ya Jinglehkmen Wildlife Week, Balapan Long Dakatanat Wildlife Wing, Forest and Environment, Jongka Sorkar Jilla, Halor Kapang Forests and Livelihoods, Sustaining People and Planet. Ya Jingelang Pynhap Apanyat da Uchaman, Kakloblai, Karait Ulengdo Yonglang, Oba Rikut Parin, Hapalau Kiying Duan, Karait Ulengdo Yonglang, West Jaiñtia Hills District, Menta Kasngi. Hakani keju Kasngi, USM Sahai ula pli pajba, ya kejing Duan, Karait Ulengdo Yonglang, Kablashina Hapo ka Integrated Development of Wildlife Habitat, Kabala Punlut, Hakajing Lut, Kabalai Polak Tengkah. Ka DFO Jaiñtia Hills Wildlife Division kakong H. Latu, Hakajingkren Matpang, Kalaitu Bayaka Klau Kentang Karait Yonglang, Kabahe Kamba Katsan Poin Katar Hector, La itu yaka Kumka Community Reserve Forest House Name Arajar Kan Rio.
Yonglang do Dachna Nega Scheme Integrated of Wildlife Habitat Improvement Kawa Yoi kam ka winaki Eco Developmental Activity Nebenta Wadapan Man Yakatai ka Chloride kam ka Community Reserve Ka Tibi wa katkam ka Wildlife Protection Act Yang usnem kat kandias pa anya kuar ka Section 36C Kadaw ko wakawan ka right lene ka chnong lene ka kur kawa usumar usendong yika klo ka jam kamjo le yika merat ki mereng yiki upenman yika dewa yikre lang churup bagi department dewa notify lene ultimate yika de ka sarkar kam ka community reserve te ka right yong lang man ka kuwi na ka right kawa de lai chakmat yo chem yika ni ka lat wa notify ya ka klo kentang yong ki kam ka community reserve house name Arajar Khatn Room. Ta sachisen congratulate ay ka rat yong lang ka wada chim yi kani ka buksiar ko panman yi ka ta klo yong ki ka klo bla yong ki kam ka community reserve. Ka tai ka klo man ko em ko jing he kam wa khatar point khatsan point khatar hectare. This forest is being preserved from time immemorial and we can also witness that there were many old trees inside this forest with a closed canopy. And as per the flora and fauna survey conducted by our division in the year 2018, it was recorded that there are 131 species of flora, including 69 tree species, 28 herbs, 22 shrubs. Also, we have ferns, bamboos, and epiphytes. And this survey was conducted only in one season. The list might be added more so in the subsequent survey. And also, as per the bird survey conducted in the late 2018, we have recorded around 60 species of birds. And also, this is also only the one-time survey, which the list might have will be increasing. And as per our camera trap survey, sir, we recorded civets like the large Indian civet, mouse palm civets, this parlor squirrel, horrid belly squirrels, this leopard cats, etc. So once again, I congratulate the Sainrat Yonglang for taking these historical steps to notify that community reserve, sacred grove as a community reserve, known as the Halok Gibbon. The Henipor, Karpat ay kachnong kamjo, wauchim ki kajo gluti, kam ka Sainrat Yonglang, de wapenman. Ibenta yong ka klo yong ki kita ki em rot yong ka wa mensar, ki man le hijo ipor, ki thau chong thau sa yong ki marat, ki wadas dang biarjait, ki em ka madok kate ki ong Halok Gibbon. le ne ki hulu mtip na kini ki chnong hai ni tanga thraya snyau ba ki ye kiet ye yam ne bha ki tu ki mara chi sen de em gi po khlo mgi ong pro ri ki tip ne bha snyau ye yam yong ki na do nru nyau ji step the man ki kani ka thau man ka thau ko em bha ne bha kini ki jet marat ha ka district yong I hi chemi ki so kini ki benta hai west Jaiñtia hills ka ba east Jaiñtia hills em ki ha po ki klonar po yong I man ki marat ki em kam ha do ka te ki wa rap yo penang klo cho yi ki thau yong I ne bha ki bam ki yo so te ne ki chen yong tu ki so pen priang ki keleng yo man ka klo ki jam yong I the such sien kerpat biang ye ka chnong yong lang le yo chim gi kani ka lat kani ka kubu wo pen man ye ka klo yong ki activities ki wede le ai hapo kani ka klo rat yong lang we have done some wildlife habitat activities inside the CR like construction of check dams gap planting here and there because in the fringe of the forest there are a few gaps which we had already planted and side by side we had done some eco developmental activities like we had provide drinking water supply to the village like making a check dam and drawing the water to the village and inside the village inside the community reserve we had made footpaths which make them accessible to perform their rituals and we had also done some fencing of their sanctum the area where they did the rituals we had done it in all the three sites which they perform the rituals annually and with that sir I concluded my speech.
Animals, leneki ka wildlife week. Snya le open pau jing snya komen ko kro wo yo wagi kna score ki yongi nadu naita na mo gayaw nagi chnong go per nagi score go per em lang gi siro bi ai joy por yakini ki wehe usen woro ki em nini na drone stage
the ecological balance and life support system on the earth. Existence of wildlife in any ecosystem is a measure of its natural health. India is a home to a number of varied species of flora and fauna and is recognized as one of the world's mega diverse countries, rich in biodiversity and associated traditional knowledge.
Meghalaya has a very rich biodiversity, both flora and fauna we know, and Forest Department has been putting in its best effort to preserve and conserve this in the best possible way. And also wildlife being across the state and the wildlife division Jaiñtia Hills also is doing a commendable job. My congratulations to them.